Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Horler and I'm joined by the Lord Mayor of London, Alderman The Lord Mountevans. And we're at UKCI and Finextra's Nordic-Baltic Inward Mission. Thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you, my pleasure.
How important do you think fintech is to London and to the UK?
Every Lord Mayor has a theme, and my theme for this year is Innovate Here, Succeed Anywhere. Fintech is a very exciting innovational sector in the UK. And we rate it very, very important. It's important here in the city. Some of it is going to be the future of financial markets, and it's something that we wish to encourage and support in the ways we can. So yes, it's very important indeed to us in the city.
What value do inward missions of fintechs and others from areas such as the Nordic-Baltics bring, in your view?
Well, we have a terrific offer here in London, which I'd be very happy to come back to. But I think that, you know, a chance to showcase to bright young brains from Europe or further afield, our offer here in London is part of the process, very attractive. There's a benefit just in meeting people with good ideas, but also I hope maybe that they'll be attracted to think of setting up shop here. There are a number of advantages to being based here in London. We have highly skilled workforce. You really are in the centre of international financial markets with over 250 foreign banks here. It's the centre of the world's foreign exchange market. You have over £7 trillion under management of fund managers, and really that is an extraordinary, exciting backdrop within which to be operating. You are right where the marketplace is. And of course, for me as Lord Mayor, I spend probably about 100 days of the year overseas. So fintech is an important part of what I'm saying as I travel around the world promoting London and the UK's financial and professional business offer. It's a very important part of that story.
And what would you say to a startup from outside the UK thinking of establishing its business here?
Well, I think one of the interesting factors is that the existing players are willing to work with disruptive finnovators, if I can call them that, and we'll welcome them and we'll work with them and welcome them. So I think that's a big plus. I think also you have a pool of skilled labour, which indeed, if you need to supplement it, it's easy under our membership of the EU to recruit to that. And that's why continued membership of the EU is strongly believed in here in the city. I think also there's an ease to raise capital here, which is very important for a startup. I think that you are located very close to your customer base, because if you're going to be talking to your eventual buyers of your products, you're in a city where you have 250 foreign banks, you have over £7 trillion in fund management, and this is a background where you have tremendous customer base. Other things that I would add, I think that team the young players in that industry are comfortable with the regulator. I think they feel they've got a regulator who they can work well with. And I think that another key factor is that here in the UK, we've got, for example, in London, we've got 44,000 people working in fintech already. Compare that with a smaller figure in New York, smaller again in San Francisco. Silicon Valley, we've got 3 times as many. Really we feel here we have the advantages of the states, i.e., Washington, the regulator, and California, and New York, but we have it all here in London. So I think it adds up to a very strong mix.
Thank you very much for speaking with me.
My pleasure, thank you.
And thank you for watching.